Hi everyone, how are you all? 1 minute. How are you all? I know you all are fine. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach the grammar learner, textbook grammar part. Every time we all know the textbook grammar part is too much. That's why I wanted to explain each and every bit, okay? Open everyone page number 8787, okay? Page number 87. Open page number 87. Have you all opened? Okay, correct. Here are some signs that you have to, your wish, if you want to learn, you can learn how to, in page number 85 it is given clearly how to make A, how to make B, how to make C. Those all you can revise whenever you have time. Now open page number 8787. Match the two parts of the sentences given under column A and B. Add but to join two parts and write complete sentences. Column A, column B. Helen lived after her illness. I am going to read out column A. Next time I will read out column B. Okay. Helen lived after her illness. She could not see or hear. People thought that she could not learn anything. Helen copied the words. Miss Sullivan was strict. Column B lines I am going to read out. Her mother thought she could learn. She did not understand what she was doing. She could not hear or see. She was kind to Helen. She was very intelligent. These are the lines of column B and those are the lines of column A. We have to match. And one more thing we have to add. The word but. B-U-T but. For every sentence we have to add B-U-T but and we have to write down here. Okay. See. Helen lived after her illness but she could not hear or see. Next. She could not see or hear but she was very intelligent. People thought that she could not learn anything but her mother thought she could learn. Helen copied the words but she did not understand what she was doing. Next. Miss Sullivan was strict but she was kind to Helen. Opposites we have to match by using the word but but. Understand? Shall I read out once? Once more, 87 page number. Helen lived after her illness but could not see or hear. Here ABCD is given. First of all, if you put ABCDs, then it is easy for you to write. First one is C, E, A, B, D. Okay? C, A, B, D. Okay? First of all, if you write that in order, then it will be easy for you to write down. Okay? Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. She could not see or hear, but she was very intelligent. People thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought she could learn. Helen copied the words, but she did not understand what she was doing. Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind to Helen. Understand? This is the way. Next. Oh, this is quite easy. This is quite easy. Whatever you can, that you have to write here. Okay. 88 page number questions, and here they have given some options. You just have to put tick mark. Understand? Whatever you feel it is correct, you have to put tick mark. Questions given. How often do you obey your parents? That means మీ మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టు మీరు ఎలా వింటారు? ఆల్వేస్, ఆఫెన్, సమ్ టైమ్స్, నెవర్. అంటే రోజు వింటారా, అప్పుడప్పుడు తరచుగా వింటారా, అప్పుడప్పుడు వింటారా, అసలు వినరా? అది టిక్ పెట్టాలన్నమాట. టిక్ పెట్టాలి ఇక్కడ. యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ వన్. Here are some lines. Whatever you do, you have to put tick mark. Okay. This is like your friend will ask you and you have to do. But here, if you have a friend, you can do. If you don't have a friend, what can we do? We only will ask question. We only will put answer. Visit your grandparents. I visit my grandparents often. Fight with your brother or sister. Never. I don't like to fight. Help others. Always. You can write often also. No problem. Throw waste in the dustbin. Always. Switch off the lights when you go out of the room. Always. You can put few often also. It's your wish. However you do, you have to write. Understand? Whatever I do, I wrote here. Okay. Leave the tap on while brushing your teeth. Never. I don't leave the tap while brushing my teeth. I'll just take water in a mug. I'll keep it aside. I'll brush my teeth, and afterward I don't waste. I don't like to waste water. I know the value of water. When I was in Hyderabad, I came to know the value of water because there, especially in Kukatpalli, I was there in Kukatpalli also. There, I have felt the water problem. Every time after completing the water, we have to call a tanker, and the tanker takes time to come, and we faced a lot of water problem. That's why I came back to Tenali, my hometown. Even though at sometimes no. All the time I know the value of water. I will not throw. Even washing utensils also, I'll just put it light water and I will wash because I know the value of water. Even you also should know. Next, okay. Last one. Tear pages from your notebook. Really, don't tell lies, okay? If you tear sometimes also, you can put sometimes here. Tick mark, okay? Let's make something. Okay, you have to draw a picture of the story and talk about the story. That's right. And what else is remaining to do? I want to make you be perfect for next exam, whatever the exam is. Because I want to tell you something. Next exam, maybe we conduct in the Google Meet only, because we want to watch you people whether you are doing, whether you are writing honestly or you are copying. That's why this time I am telling you. I know few members have copied and few members took the help of the parents. I know that, but what I want to tell you is, please be ready for everything. Not that kind of things. I am telling about without writing also. Sorry, without seeing also you have to write. Without copying also you should be capable to write. Understand? This is easy, Nana. What is there? Textbook and CW. That's it. You people are very lucky that you don't have a workbook. Yes. Otherwise, that will be another burden for us. Because we have to complete CW, we have to complete textbook, we have to complete the workbook. This time it is not there. Only CW textbook, that's it. And CW some meanings, opposites, the question and answers. And here grammar part, little grammar part. And grammar part, textbook, I am telling you, textbook grammar part is, if you know the trick, it is very very easy. Here I told you column A, column B. Just you have to understand the meaning of the lines. You have to put but in the middle, that's it. It became easy, na? That's what I am telling. And what else? In this manner, I think Miss Sulaiman, if you open page number 85, I will tell you something. In this manner, see, like this, A, C, B, like that. I think Sulaiman taught Helen Keller in this manner. Because at last she came to know that words are the important things, which words tells everything about the world. Words are the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. That's why Helen Keller taught her letters. How to know the letters? Like this, M. Like this, N. See how nicely they have given. Easy, na? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Any more doubts, Nana? You can ask me in the WhatsApp, not WhatsApp, Google Meet, okay? In the Google Meet, you can ask me the doubts. That's it. It's that much only. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And what else? You have completed the activity, and next week I'll give another activity. Let's do some interesting activity this time. I will tell you. Before that, did you all completed the notes? You have to complete the notes. Don't put again. I am telling you, I am not going to put the notes whomever they ask. I am not. Understand? Every time don't put incomplete. If you put incomplete, you will be in trouble. If one parent, okay, every time I am telling, but you people doing the same. Fine. What else? This one I told you, na, CEABD. You write it in between and you match it. You will understand. It is easy to write it down. You have to put but in the middle and you can write down. Page number 87. Okay. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me in the Google Meet. I feel that you people all feeling comfort in the Google Meet, but one thing I have to tell you, everyone keep your mic mute until I call your name. But some members, they are putting mute and they are going away. I hate it. Keep it mute and listen. You can listen, I know that. You listen carefully. If I call your name, you have to say yes ma'am, present ma'am. Yes ma'am, I am ready. You can ask the question. Like that you have to say. Everyone talking at a time, I don't want. Okay, I want Google Meet to be pleasant. If I am talking, I only should talk. I will call some names. Just like if I want to ask some questions, I will call some names. Then I will ask. Not some names. If it is possible, I will call all the names. Which names I will call? You will type. Starting when the Google Meet starts, you have to type your name in the message box. Whomever they type the name in the message box, I will call their names only. That's why you have to know how to type in the message box. It's a simple thing. I hope you all know. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.